talent acquisition strategy goes beyond just the hiring by evaluating an organization's overall talent needs. It also determines how those needs relate to business goals and identifying what HR and recruitment specialists should do to fill the gaps. Furthermore, it is essential to know that talent acquisition is not the same as talent management. The main focus of talent acquisition is recruiting and onboarding, which are the first two pillars of talent management, an even broader field. In this case, the process continues throughout the entire employee life cycle. It includes performance management, compensation management, and succession planning. The first one is technology. It has started to transform other business areas such as accounting, manufacturing, and e-commerce, and has now infiltrated talent acquisition to make it more efficient and user-friendly. In talent acquisition, artificial intelligence is being applied to natural language processing and machine learning to understand the language in job description better and find close match in resumes. AI can also analyze resumes at a fraction of the speed of humans and can aid in eliminating discriminations against minorities by reviewing qualifications and detecting discriminatory language in job ads. Many chatbots use NLP to interpret the words spoken or typed by users, which has helped advance the recruiting process. Now, candidates can respond to job listings by texting their interests. The chatbot will guide them through the steps in similar ways to a human recruiter. Using AI for talent acquisition. The most recent platform in talent acquisition is artificial intelligence. Why do we need a platform? Artificial intelligence is a set of technological areas that comprises machine learning, natural language processing, predictive analytics, and robotic process automation, all of which are underlying functions that support a significant number of HR business processes. In other words, AI is not an application you can purchase. It is an intelligent infrastructure that underpins many business applications, including HR systems. AI programs analyze a large amount of data and then decide or recommend what action should be taken to complete a task. Any AI program must be able to continually learn from what machine learning and adapt accordingly. Consider AI as a tireless engine that supports your talent acquisition efforts. Screening applicants is made more accessible with AI. During the screening and sourcing, data may include past or current employee resumes, competency or skill models related to the industry or job, a resume or a record of an employee's success or longevity based on skills, education, or even location. These are examples of data from which a machine learning program can learn rules and patterns. The artificial intelligence brain can also be fed external data such as national or international salary ranges, United States Bureau of Labor Statistics, job classifications, etc. Therefore, machine learning can answer questions such as what candidates' traits are most likely to result in long-term success in this position. Since candidates often apply to an entire company rather than a specific position, AI can recommend positions relevant to each candidate's skill set, education, or soft skills. The ability to identify new positions or opportunities based on current employee skills, interests, and aspirations is also helpful. Both applicants and hiring companies benefit from this. For example, if a college graduate wants to work for Microsoft, she can submit her resume and the AI-based talent acquisition tools can tell her what job she may be eligible for. Recruiters and candidates alike benefit from it since it saves time. Bias can be eliminated with AI. Artificial intelligence in talent acquisition applications will alleviate bias in hiring. It can promote diversity in future employees rather than perpetuating the homogeneity of past employees in terms of race, ethnicity, gender preference, and color. An unbiased software application can also eliminate bias from other characteristics such as regional accents, perceived social standing, and parental status. An AI tool won't be overly impressed by a beautiful resume layout or underwhelmed by a typo. Two factors that can unconsciously affect the human decisions. Programs of this kind analyze job advertisements and job requisitions for bias, words, red, other pros for gender-laden language. Despite this, not all talent acquisition products use AI. Using only historical data, which is by definition limited, can lead to biased results. AI-enabled applications have access to deep learning neural networks incorporating external data to complement internal data sets. AI enhances online interviewing. It can identify subtleties such as gestures and facial expressions that humans might miss or not pay attention to when conducting online video interviews. Likewise, since AI can analyze vast volume of data without becoming fatigued, it may well uncover patterns that would otherwise be overlooked by busy recruiters and hiring managers. AI is valuable due to its ability to make sense of or find correlation in massive amounts of data. AI is the foundation of HR bots. Robotics process automation uses bots like Alexa or Siri to automate time-consuming tasks and inquiries. Natural language chatbots, including those that can understand and respond to writing and spoken input, are becoming common in human capital management software, including tools for talent acquisition.